us take a look at a brand new product line called Isabel's. Now this brand has a desire for innovation and believes that healthy eating should never be dull and boring. So because of that, they have come up with a variety of gluten-free flour options for those who may be looking to incorporate healthy eating habits or for those who may just be looking to lose a few pounds. They have flours made from pumpkins, yams, sweet potato, dasheen, cassava, green bananas, plantains, lentils, split peas, chickpeas, and their ever so popular oats, wheat, and flaxseed. Isabel's also believes that anyone should be able to whip up a fancy meal in no time, so they have come up with a wide variety of seasoning powders such as pimento peppers, scotch bonnet, cilantro, bay leaf, tomato, lemon, and orange powders, soursop, and their very popular Caribe mix, which is a combination of celery, cilantro, scallions, and thyme. All of our products are made from 100% all natural ingredients with absolutely no additives or preservatives. For more information, like and follow our Facebook page at Isabel's Products for daily updates.